So you want to shoot great looking videos with your smartphone fast and easy? Welcome to Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. I spent the last 3 years making videos for big name clients such as BMW, Nomad, Cyan, CapCut, and many more, and I've condensed all of my knowledge about making cinematic videos with a smartphone into this masterclass. If you are just starting out with making videos, it all can be a bit overwhelming, I understand that. You don't know where to get started, like what are the best settings, how to frame your shots, should I film vertical, horizontal, what are the best apps, tools, and so on. And these are all questions that we at Smartphone Filmmaking Pro get on a daily basis, and these are all of the questions that we answer within our masterclass Smartphone Filmmaking Pro. In this course, I will show you step by step how you can take the smartphone that you have in your pockets and shoot cinematic videos that look like this. It doesn't matter if you're a dad, a mom capturing your family, a real estate agent, an entrepreneur making a video for a business, or just someone that wants to take better videos with a smartphone, we'll have you covered. The course is well structured, it's easy to follow, it contains over 270 videos, and this will be your path to cinematic videos. Additionally to the training program, you will also get several downloads, you'll get discounts on gear, as well as access to our private community where you can share your work, get direct feedback on your work from myself, and in the end, all of these things will just massively shorten your learning curve. In the last 3 years, we've helped over 10,000 people make better videos with their smartphones, and some of them even went full-time making videos with their smartphone. If you're still not sure this is right for you, you can literally just try it. Over the last 3 years, we had a satisfaction guarantee of over 97%, so we are very confident that you'll love the course, and we do offer you a satisfaction guarantee. You're not happy, we'll refund you your money. So transform your smartphone videos today and join our awesome community. I can't wait to see you there.